Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to rectify the warning details when creating an invoice by mapping COA for customer. Initially, we have to log in into the Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now go to any job page. On this job page, click the Costing tab. After entering all the charges, click the Generate Sales Invoice. Here, a warning message has been displaying as check the organization is mapped into the account. Now go to the respective organization. Click the Edit option. On this Organization Details page, go to the Accounts tab. Select the Add option. If the organization is a customer, map it with the debtor account. Here, select the respective COA, currency and click Save. Now go to the respective job page. Here, click the Generate Sales Invoice. Now, the charges has been displayed on the screen. After selecting the respective charges, click Save. Now, the sale invoice has been successfully generated. This is how to rectify the warning details when creating an invoice by mapping COA for customer in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.